Well, it is about 2:05 p.m. Friday the 13th, September 2024. September 13th, Friday the 13th of 2024. Yeah, been gone all week, here from here. Just got back and was trying to take care of things. It's been an interesting, weird one. Okay. Left out on Wednesday morning, went up there, got to the hotel, got some sleep, and then woke up and started doing the medicine to flush me. Williams, Philippines. Hope everybody's having a great day. Anyway, got that took care of. Got up the next morning, went to go do my colonoscopy. Oh, yay. Got a certificate saying I'm clean piped. So, yay. Doc wants me to come back for hemorrhoids, though. I'm wondering, is all of this because they shoved a camera up there? I don't know. But, yay. It's mild. It's not bad. Got that scheduled for October something. While I was there on Wednesday evening, I got an email from Anytime Mail saying, hey, your provider has quit being a provider, and we got to move you around. Yeah. And I got over there today and talked to the guy at the place that is the provider, and yeah, he works with both Anytime and iPostal, and he doesn't like the fact that Anytime is cheaper and forces him to do the same kind of work for less. Well, he didn't actually say that, but he's pushing his higher dollar, hey, stay here, we'll take care of you here, directly to the people that are here. So, yeah, conflicting interest, I don't know. But I'm trying to get that took care of. So I get back here, I start doing the process to try to, get online and cancel that and get a new one opened up at another one that's not going to cost more. It's a little further out of town, but it is what it is. Sorry, I just got through eating before all this started because I'm still hungry. I've been starved for 2 days. And the pizza from Pizza Hut was horrible. Doughy. Should have remembered that. I don't like Pizza Hut. But, yeah. Little Caesars didn't want to take and, do it unless it came through their app. Which is a FU way of saying, hey, you'll either use our way or we won't work with you. Well, I won't work with them. I'm not adding a bunch of food apps for America here to go over there. It's just, they're not worth my time. So anyway, I'm here at the house trying to get things up and going so I can get this out. And I'm trying to get the Anytime mailbox stuff swapped over. And I can't connect wirelessly to my internet. I go looking for my internet and it's no longer in my wireless connections. And I'm like, well, what's up with that? And, well, I call and try to get in touch with the company and my internet provider. And lo and behold, yep, my wireless is gone off my router. So I'm hardwired right now, so I do have internet connection on my my little netbook here, notebook. Yeah, I'm all happy about this. Why couldn't it have just waited another 9 months before croaking? I mean, seriously? It would have been real nice. Would have been even better. Don't get me wrong. I was looking at a travel router. I think that's what made it jealous, and it decided to go Tampo. My router's having Tampo. It just quit working. Said no more. So it's messing with me. It won't do wireless. Hardwire is working, but wireless isn't there. So yeah. Now apparently the wireless chip in there has decided to give up the ghost. I had a good run with it. That particular router, it was a good router when I got it, and it cost me like $80 almost 8 years ago. So it was a decent router then, and yeah, I got good use out of it. I would have liked to just got a little more use out of it. Just 9 more months. Just saying. Oh well, I guess I'm going to be getting that travel router and have to take it with me. Hope it works over there too. Travel should. We'll see. So anyway, I'm having one of those days. I got back here. I dealt with the guy at Anytime, the provider for Anytime, who's trying to push me into a higher dollar. He doesn't like doing the cheap work, apparently. Yeah. But throw a bunch of people into chaos because somebody says, well, I'm tired of doing I provide a service, but I'm going to quit doing it because it's not making me enough money, even though it is. It's the same job he's doing with iPostal. It's just he's not getting paid as much. And yeah. So he's not going to get my portion of this this income. Supposedly I got a couple weeks worth of it coming in and getting my mail. But now I've got to try and get everything that I've already swapped over to there, swapped back over to a new one, which I got to try and get set up today after I get off here. And it is already 2:15 almost p.m. I'm supposed to be going to sleep about now. Yeah. Only good thing is I actually did get some sleep last night. Because, well, the anesthesia is, it's not all gone. I'm still feeling some effects. A little scattered. The continuity of mind is not fully there. I don't care what they say. Supposedly you come back off of it real quick, but yeah, it's there. I notice it. So yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, I wearing my blood donation thing. They gave me a t-shirt for that. So, yay. People juice, people juice, people juice. Instead of Beetlejuice. Can't say that 3 times, right? Anyway, got that. Got here, and one of the things in the mail was my results from the prostate cancer. I'm normal. I think somebody's blowing smoke up my, but yeah. I don't think I've ever really been normal. But hey. Friday the 13th. Who says it's supposed to be normal? Anyway, it is what it is. And somebody I know is way pregnant, and they're talking about inducing her if she doesn't pop on her own. I hope she just popped. Well, about an hour and 2 minutes ago, because we know what that would be, right? Friday the 13th on the 13th hour and the 13th minute. So, I hope to hear that she's got a baby today. I don't know. Some people believe, some people don't. My dad's birthday was on Friday the 13th, so yeah. He was always lucky on the 13th. Just saying. Who knows? Anyway, well, I don't even know where to begin. This has been a weird weekend. And, yeah. I'm ready to disconnect, go to sleep, and quite honestly, I don't even want to go to work tonight. I've had too many new people in my day. And not just through car windows for food or, gas stations and this, that, and the other. But yeah, I'm drained. I really need to get some sleep. So anyway, yeah, I need to recuperate from my weekend. It's one of those things. I hope everybody's had a blessed weekend or week. And I hope you get to enjoy your weekend and it's a blast for you. And I hope you get a lot of good food, because food's important. Anyway, blessings. Blessings to all. Lots of food and for your weekend and an enjoyable weekend. This is William from Williams, Philippines. Hey, I'm Fish, and Fish is out.